carpet.
Oh my God, GB, what you've done? Mommy's sleeping upstairs. We'll have to quickly clean it before she wakes up. Oh my God. Oh my God, otherwise she's gonna kill us. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's test this Hoover, GB. Come on.
Okay. Clean it.
No, you clean it, man.
It's your mess.
No, it's your mess.
It's your mess.
You clean it. Quickly clean it before she wakes up.
Oh, that is raggy bullshit.
GB, this is my new rug. What have you done? GB, this is my new rug.
Is it?
What did you guys do? Why did your daddy do this? This was my new rug.
It's clean now.
No, why did you do this? Why did your daddy do this? I bought this for my kitchen.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
Daddy, Mommy get angry at us.
Give her one sweet. Oh, take
I don't
this,
want
please.
sweet. I don't want sweet.
Take this, please.
No.
Take it.
Why? Why did you guys get my rug dirty? It was brand new. It was for kitchen. It's not fair. It was £100 rug. 2 minutes to clean. 1, 2, 3, go.
Guys, it's time to clean this thing in the door. And then you can... And then you first vacuum. Always in the liquid.
I'm not happy, GB. You ruined my rug. And who got you this Hoover?
My daddy got up for me.
GB, you bought new Hoover? Oh my God, this guy. Which Hoover is this now?
Wax air. No wax air. Wax. Just wax.
Power suction is quite good, you know. Let's see. So when did you buy this, GB?
I was sleeping upstairs.
So you and Daddy went and you guys bought this. Wow. And never told me. Wow. So what's the name of this? Wax?
I wish I had wax.
The suction is good. Look at this mess. So this much mess you did on my brand new rug, which I bought yesterday. Wow. For £100. Wow.
$900.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Mummy?
Yes.
It's clean!
I know it's clean.
So this is the back. Okay, guys, you want to empty it? Any of you? Okay, let's go check the Mac. Oh, feel that? So hot.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go plug it, but you guys can see this. Don't touch this part; it's already broken. It's not
Dirty.
dirty. It's from the motor thingy. Okay, guys, we're gonna access to every part of the vacuum part. I'm gonna go empty it. and then we can exit to every part of YouTube. So this is a hose when you like need to clean the stairs. Like you with the stairs, you use this. It's very stretchy. Like squiggly. Being scammed.
You've been scammed when?
You know this Hoover. By Vax Hoover.
Yeah.
It's like, look, there's so much debris in it. There's a dusting brush.
Okay.
So if you want to turn it into a crevice tool, you can just push this over a lever and then put your thing there. If you like it like this, you can keep it like this. If you want to push it all the way down, you have to push this little button again. And then you have to put, I think that's what it doesn't do. It does actually do it, but oh, there we go. So that's we got, and then so we click in very hard, and then we got this is a handle. If you buy one of them, the handle has to be out. Okay, guys, today I'm going to teach you how to build a Vax Air.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to show you. So remember I said the hose. This hose.
Yes.
Do you want to see?
Okay, fine. Show us. Yeah.
Okay. This connects into here.
Oh my God. What happened?
And it's with pencil. And then you click this orange button up. And then, there you go. Then you got the extra hose. You just need to get out for this. If you take all the parts, this is what the Hoover will look like.
Okay.
And then there's more hose. It moves with you.
I can see a part there. What is that part over there? There.
Oh.
Who put that there? So while I was upstairs resting, you and Daddy been messing around in the house? Yes.
The part.
Wow! Oh my! What you guys been doing? Tell me the truth. What you been hiding?
I keep both of these hoovers there.
Why?
Because it's easy to slide out. This one for downstairs, that one for upstairs.
Oh my
carpet.
God! This is
Guys, should I bring him? Let's bring Henry.
this is the one you've been fighting over in Manchester, isn't it?
Yeah! And, okay? Now let's fight! Henry! Cordless!
What do you want to do now? What do you want to do with cordless now?
We're gonna... Gee, that was a bit funny. Okay, we're gonna take all of the dirt and then vacuum it in here. Can we do that? Let's do it. Let's see if Angry Cordless is powerful as heck. Okay, guys. We're here now. Okay. We're gonna dump it in Mummy's carpet now.
No.
I think, yeah.
No. It stinks so bad. Blech. I'm gonna vomit.
Okay, let's take all of the dust out too.
GB, you know how expensive this rug is, guys? I bought this yesterday. Look what they've done to my rug. It's for my kitchen, GB. House is spot on. I don't know why you guys messing around. Now, what was the purpose of this?
So I'm gonna just teach you. We're gonna move this at the end with Henry Cordless. Just leave that. Ignore that. So this is what I was talking about.
Filthy.
You have to turn this lever, lift it up, and then take all of the dust.
Oh my God, guys, it stinks so bad.
Take this off. Then we got exit to this. This is what I was trying to exit this. So let's vacuum it in. She's very powerful this morning. The vacuum is not that powerful.
The best part of this Henry is that it's quiet. What happened?
He's actually dead today. So So I should let him go charge.
Guys, we need to pack this up because the house is dirty now. We need to pack this up. It's,
Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go put this away.
yeah.
Put it back.
Why are you hiding it there?
No, because actually keep it. He just broke his leg.
This is not Henry's place, GB.
It is.
No, it's not.
Guys,
Yes.
I did have to change this. I changed it to the purple virgin bin.
Mm-hmm.
So, this part,
Yeah.
I'm going to take back the hose off.
Mm-hmm.
Because it doesn't stay here. I'm going to show you where it actually goes. Did you not know this hose goes on the hoover? This is where it goes.
Where?
It's somewhere on the hoover.
It's on the side. Is it?
You're correct.
Thank you.
You actually are correct. You know
Yeah.
why?
Yeah.
Because, look.
Yes.
Now. See? Then this wax tool goes in here. Are you clear? It's just too hard. Sometimes it can slip. Okay, we're gonna move on to these parts. It actually does. So let's move on these parts. So we're gonna put this onto here. There we go. So then you can move
Uh-huh.
to there. Not like this. It does look great.
It looks crazy, but yeah.
And then this. Oh wait, I didn't show you the filter, guys, yet.
What is this?
Time for the double fold. And then this goes into there. If you can see, this is washable. This filter which goes here, it's not washable. Look.
Mm-hmm.
It's not allowed to be washed. Look. Okay. So, this is not washable. This goes here. Then this goes here. Okay? Now, you just put it into click. You twist it. Then, you put this. You get this cap. You break it in the front. You lift it up. Then, you have to twist. Get this. Put this. You move around the bottom. Here. There's this hose. There's this wire. Then the wire, this one goes here. You click it into place. Then you turn the vacuum around. Take this out. Only click the plastic bit there into the block like that. And then you hold down tight, don't let it fall. Then you move. Then you wind the cord. And then you just keep on winding. I'm almost done. It's just the cord, then I'm done.
Okay, so you're doing the cord, darling?
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost done, guys. And GB's ruined my rug. I think I need to buy a new one, GB. You can keep this, GB. Because you ruined it. I bought it very expensive. I really wanted this color. But you ruined it, mister. Thank you, mister. He ruined my rug, guys. My brand new £100 rug.
Mommy, you're welcome.
Yeah, I'm not. You're welcome.